Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Winnie. Thank you for joining the team. It's a teamwork here. If you haven't subscribed, please boom. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. It motivates me to do more videos. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this pacifier holders and teeter. My daughter is 1 year old. She just turned 1 like 2 weeks ago. The birthday theme was unicorn. So I'm going to put the video up here for you to see if you haven't seen the video. Hope I'm not putting the middle finger. I'm going to put the video up here for you to see. She no longer uses her pacifier, but she's still teething, so she uses the teeter. This is panda. Panda, 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 panda. When I was making this, I had one thing in mind. Apart from the fact that I wanted it to be cute, I had one thing in mind. Excuse me, I wanted to make sure that it is very secured, like it's not coming out. I made this like 5 months ago when my daughter was 7 months old, and it's still very strong. I washed this in her bottle sanitizer and it's still very strong. I tied it multiple times, so that was my major concern. This hair was just a quick one. I made this hair. The video is going to come up soon, so watch out for it. Okay guys, so this is my supplies. I just sorted it out and put them in a Ziploc bag so that it would be easy for me to put together. So here I'm just, arranging them. Just, sometimes I'll take out some and just, putting it together so to be easy for me. I love easy things. So here I'm just measuring it. I think I measured 30 and I folded it into two, cut it, and then now I'm just going to tie it together. So I tie it once, twice, and then put it in the loop, and when I find the loop, I put it in the second loop again. Yeah, so then I tie it together, make sure that it's very secure. I'm going to put the other end and then tie it. I think this one I put it around just one time, but all that matters is you have to make sure that it's not going to come out, like it's not going to come out. So that's the most important thing. So here I'm just making sure that it's very secured. So I'm going to cut off the loose ends, and then I will use a lighter to secure it even more. I'm going to melt it and then secure it so that it's not going to come out. So now I'm using this beader. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description box. So I'm just going to use this beader is usually used to put beads on your hair. So that's what I'm using to fill in this beads. I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing. I think the video is self-explanatory. Let me just shut up so that you can watch it. here is the finished product. I made 5 of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you stay till this end, please comment the hand emoji, the one you raise your hand up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh god, so tired. Oh my goodness. It's like 5 a.m. I made this video 5 months ago, so I'm just getting in to making the video. Is that in English? Well, you know what I mean. Oh no, my heater is on. Oh.